Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to scan Binance QR code. To scan a Binance QR code, you will need the Binance mobile application, as the desktop version doesn't support QR code scanning directly. Here how you can scan QR code in Binance application. Log into your Binance account on your mobile application. Tap on the scan icon on the top right corner of the application home screen. It often looks like a small QR code or a camera icon. If you don't see the icon on the home screen, you can also access it by going to your profile and selecting Binance Pay, where there is usually an option to scan. If it's your first time using the scanner, you will need to allow the application to access your camera. Align the QR code within the scanner frame, and Binance will automatically direct it. Depending on QR code, Binance may prompt you to confirm a payment, view a deposit address, or complete another action. So that is how you can scan Binance QR code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.